XRP macro chart. November 4, 2025, 8:41 p.m. Okay, this is Trader Chick. Good evening. So, ito ang macro chart ng XRP. Nasa monthly time frame tayo. Ito yung swing low. Ito yung gamitin nating swing high kasi ito yung may fractal. And as you can see guys, yung current candle ng monthly is above ng 0382. Although yung previous candle, grabe yung dinump, hinit yung golden pocket, at itong golden pocket ang nag-support sa kanya at nagtulak pabalik. Okay? So right now, hindi pa rejected, hindi pa nagbabounce. Okay? Pero above pa siya ng 382. So technically, this is still bullish. Okay? Bullish pa yan. Kasi nasa loob pa or nasa ibabaw pa siya ng 382 level. May mga buburahin lang ako dito saglit. Yan. Okay, pero once na mag-open na below or bumaba na yung candle natin below ng 382, kailangan na nating mag-worry. Dahil baka bumalik yan sa 189 once na ma-break ang kanyang major support level, which is this area. And this is approximately 2.07, approximately around $2. Okay? Yan ang major support niya. Kung nakikita niyo yung body ng mga candles natin sa monthly time frame, pantay-pantay yan. Ayan. Ito. At dyan din nag-stop tong candle na to. So, that is a major support. Okay? So, if ever mag-break down ang candle ng monthly at hindi na-stop ng 2.0794 approximately, bababain yan ang next major support, which is this level. Ito. And this is approximately 1.9573 approximately. Okay, please check this and trace it on your own chart. And pag nag-break yan, ito na, 0.5 which is 1.8959 approximately. Okay? So hopefully hindi ito mag-break. Dahil pag nag-break tong 0.5, babalik tayo sa 1.5427 which is the golden pocket. Hanggang 1.4469. So, medyo delikado yan. Okay? Yan yung sa monthly time frame ng XRP. Lalagyan ko lang to ng horizontal line para malaman ko kung nasan yung mga major support level niya. One moment. At lilipat tayo sa medyo lower na time frame. There. Tapos burahin na natin tong fib. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So there, isa pa 'to, grabe talaga yung dump nito dahil dun sa major crash. Swing low, swing high. Currently, below na ng 786 level. Itong pump na 'to. And ang possible na maging major support niya dito according here is, gusto ko lang 'to, 2.17, 85%. We may see a bounce here. Kapag hindi nag-bounce dito, it's gonna be 2.07. Okay? So, check nyo mabuti yan. Maaaring babain ang 0.85% kasi lampas na siya ng 76 or 79% and wala tayong nakitang bounce. Okay, remember, this is a major support, 0.786 or 79%. Kapag hindi nagkaroon ng major bounce sa isang major support level, ibig sabihin, wala ng strength ito. So, yung next major support would be 0.85 or 85% at 2.1710. And if this breaks, we're going back to around 2.07 or 2.08, around 2.08 to hanggang 2.1.